Hi guys, my name is Abba and welcome back to my amazing kitchen. I am so happy to come your way today with another simple and easy recipe. So come along and let's make this delicious chicken and cheese sandwich together. We will need just some few ingredients, and as always, I will list them all down below in the description box. I've got some tomatoes which are deseeded and diced to prevent your sandwich from becoming soggy. I also have some sliced onions, deseeded cucumbers and chopped as well, lettuce of choice, chicken breast or chicken thigh which is boneless, and some cheese. So first, I'm going to season my chicken with some garlic powder, onion powder and some paprika powder. I want to keep my seasoning very minimum, but you can use any seasoning of your choice. Now I go in with some freshly cracked black pepper and some salt to taste. Remember that the cheese is salty, so you don't want to go overboard with your salt. Now add about 2 teaspoons of oil and mix everything together. The oil will help the seasoning to stick better to your chicken. Now you can set your chicken aside and heat up a frying pan on a medium heat. Once your frying pan is hot enough, you want to go in with your marinated chicken. So as you can see, I didn't add any oil in my frying pan because we seasoned our chicken with oil. Cook your chicken for about 4 minutes or until done according to your preferred doneness. But remember, we are using chicken breast, so you don't want it to go very dry and hard on you. Transfer your cooked chicken into a bowl or a plate and set it aside. To assemble our sandwich, I have here 2 brown bread, but you can use any bread of your choice. So I first layer my bread with some cheese, and you can use as much or as little as you want. I then top it with my lettuce, and you want to spread it out evenly so that every bite you take will have a bit of everything you are putting on there. I go in with my sliced onion and my cucumbers and then my tomatoes. You don't have to follow the same order, you can add it any way you prefer. Top it with your cooked chicken. And as you can see, I'm also trying to spread it out evenly so that every corner of the bread has a bit of chicken. To finish off the sandwich, I also add some burger sauce because it complements the chicken very well, but you can use any sauce of your choice. I then top it with a final layer of cheese. Now top it with the remaining bread and press it down just to keep everything together. Now go ahead and repeat the same process for the rest of the sandwiches you want to make. I'm making just 2 sandwiches, so I'm going to go ahead and finish the second one. I love this recipe so much because you can switch things up and customize it to your own preference, and I hope you do just that. Now that we are done assembling our sandwich, I'm going to cook this in a dry frying pan without oil or anything. And the second one I'm also going to cook on my grill. So if you don't have a grill, you can still do this in your frying pan and the results are the same. With a grill, you just get the marks, and that's just the difference. So now let's just cut into our beautiful sandwich and see how it looks on the inside. And voila, there you go. This sandwich is super filling, super tasty. It makes a great lunch. Sometimes I even have this for dinner when I want to have a light dinner. In the meantime, I go back to the one we are doing in the frying pan and turn it over because the cheese is melted on one side. Once the cheese is melted on both sides, our sandwich is done. You only miss the marks, but hey, it still tastes amazing. You only have to have some patience and keep your heat on low. That's all. So now let's cut into this as well and see how we did. And just look at that cheesiness. The cheese is well melted, and that's exactly what you are looking for. Super delicious and tasty sandwich that you can have for lunch, for dinner, for brunch, any day and any time that you choose. If you've made it this far into the video, please give me a thumbs up, comment down below and let me know what you think of this video. Share and subscribe and become part of the amazing family. And if you have already done that, I want to say a very big thank you to you. So until I come your way next time with another amazingly delicious recipe, thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in my next video. Bye!